Hey guys, welcome back for our 2020-2021 online hybrid Coronageddon school year. For those who don't know, I am Colleen O'Rourke. I am the science department chair and I'm on the professional development team. And what I wanted to quickly do is show you a video of a cool Zoom trick I learned this summer that I think will be really useful for a lot of your classes. Please excuse the lack of formality in the look of this video, but on the day that I'm filming this, it is 1,000 degrees and everything is on fire. So the trick that I'm going to show you is basically a way to use Zoom and your phone to set up a document camera, mobile camera sort of deal at your house. Obviously this is really useful for our science classes, is why I thought of this, but again, it might also be useful for if you don't want to start to write things on the screen, you can just show a piece of paper or a whiteboard to write things out, or whatever else you might think of. So to do this, you'll need your new Reardon MacBook Air laptop, and you will also need a secondary device such as your phone, an iPad, a tablet. Basically anything that runs Zoom with the camera should work for this. Probably the most updated version of Zoom is the one you're going to want. In order for this to work, you need at least 3 people in the meeting, which is why I have set up, I'm on my desktop and I've set up my laptop, and I also have my phone to show you how this works. So, say you yourself are signed into a meeting. Well, what you're going to need to do is log your phone into the meeting, or tablet if you're using it. Log your phone into the meeting as well, ideally under a different account such as your personal email, or just make one up. When you're in the meeting, you will turn on the video of your device, and it'll automatically be front-facing camera, but you can switch it around to the rear-facing camera. Okay, so as you see, this screen here is showing what's happening on my phone. Now, I, as the host of this meeting, can go into the 3 dots here, and you'll see a couple options. Pin video, if you don't know what that means, that will basically make that the main video on your screen. I used that over the summer for some dance classes I took. I would just pin the instructor's video to the main screen. However, what we're looking at here is spotlight video. That basically pins the video for everyone. So if I click this, do not unmute you also want to make sure your phone is muted and the sound, like both on the microphone and the outgoing sound, so you don't get feedback loops. But yeah, so when you have it like this, you now have this camera is a camera that everybody can see focused big on the screen, but you are still logged in on the main window here. So if I flip this around, now I can use this. Oh, looks like that mirror effect. I can use this, as I mentioned, as a document camera, as something to show labs if I'm doing them, like by myself, and so I have the students watch it and make observations. Pretty much anything that you would want something separate to focus people's attention on, but you don't want to try to manhandle your laptop to show it. And to cancel the spotlight video, just go 3 dots, cancel spotlight video, and hopefully yourself will pop back. It's wanting to show there, so you can spotlight yourself if you want. So I can see something like this. If you want to get creative with it, you could probably build a little stand, maybe like out of a cardboard box, and a little light, like a desk lamp, and cut a hole in the top to put your phone in so that you can do it as a document thing below. Us in the science department, if you want to borrow a ring stand and just play with that to set that up, that would be cool. Or you could just use it freehand for like a quick thing that you need to use. But yeah, so really simple. I think it could add a lot of use value to Zoom, so play around with it. And if you come up with cool ideas you want to show off to people, let us know.